Hello class, today we're going to be doing is the clock, or aka the runnable class. Please realize it's commented over here which you need to copy over, and I'm putting it into the idle game starting template. First thing we need to do is, it says extends applet implements runnable, so we need to copy over implements runnable over to my class file because I only have extends applet implements runnable now. And then what we need to do is copy over the two variables, because these variables are the variables I need in order to have a thread, and the X is just for movable, so technically you don't need the X, but this code uses X, so we need to put that over there. Next one is we need to copy over the entire two functions of start and run, so I'm going to copy these over. I'm going to put them below init above paint. Now this paint stuff actually does paint stuff, so I'm going to be copying that into paint so that I can actually see the runnable work. And last but not least, I need to copy over stop to the end, which is after paint. After I copy those all over, I just hit compile, it should work. And now when I run the program, we have a runnable. So notice I'm not touching anything, and the clock and the box is moving. Now that we got the code implemented, we can close out the clock thing. We're just looking at this. The key things that we're looking at here is this run method. This is where all the money happens. If we want to put stuff that happens every period of time, we'd put it right in here. This period of time is this. 1,000 means 1 second. So 1/10 of a second would be 1,000 divided by 10. A half a second would be 1,000 divided by 2. A quarter of a second, a fourth of a second would be divided by 4. So on and so forth. So if I divide this by 100, now when I run the program, that box and the clock are going to speed through. The clock doesn't, because the clock is independent of the update counter. Now, this thread does not matter with this clock because the get time function is completely different. Notice that the reason why this is changing is because every time I repaint, this is doing, but this should go up here, and boom. If I go back to that divide by 100, it's going to go fast. Now, the issue that we have, now that we're going fast, is this flicker. Does everyone see the flicker? We want to get rid of the flicker. That's going to be in the double buffering method movie. Please realize this X, if this X is my money, and this 3 is a variable for the buttons, so another count, so button click count, then I can have a auto clicker, which I will show in another movie. That's it, have a good one, I will see you later.